Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll learn how to make an origami rose like this with paper. I have taken a white paper and I have colored it on this side. If you have a colored paper, you need not make so much of effort. Now when you're using a paper like mine which has a white side along with a blue side or a colored side as your convenience, you have to be very much conscious about which side you're folding and which side you're not. So let's begin. Now first we'll begin with making creases along this paper. Now for mine paper, or if you take a paper which is white in color and you color it out, then follow whatever I do, or else if you have a colored paper you can do it according to your way. Now so first we'll start with folding this paper into diagonal wedges. Make sure that these the corners have sharp endings and you just are concerned to meet them together. You make them a very proper folding so that when you open it, there is a proper line on the paper. Similarly, we'll do it in the opposite side. That's it. And then we open it. Now on this side, we'll do this. Make sure that these diagonal folds and the vertical and horizontal folds are done on the opposite sides and not on the same side. Fold it in this way once properly and on this side. Make sure that the ends exactly meet at the point. That's done. And now you open it. Now we start the proper making of the rose. Now you see these diagonals on one side and this on the other side. Hold one diagonal and the second diagonal together like this. Make sure that this is done properly, and similarly on the other side. Make sure that this point is sharp enough because later this is going to be this pointed end. Now let's start. Now we have two parts here and two parts here. So what we'll do, we'll take only one part and this end should meet this end very properly. The folds should be appropriate and proper. This. Now when we've done it on both the sides, now we'll just take them back to this point like this. Now when you have ensured that all your foldings are proper, only then proceed to the next step. Now we open this very properly and we fold them like this. On one side, similarly the same thing on this side. Make sure that even these ends are sharp enough. Done. Similarly, we'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll take once this, we'll take secondly this, and we'll make them go back like this. And then we'll open them and we'll get them back to the square foldings. Now there's this triangular thing. Now you can either fold this on this side or on that side according to your convenience. This may exceed this point, but that does not do anything bad to this thing. Now when you open this triangle can be on this side or on this side. So now when you very carefully open this, you will see that there is one triangle here and there is another triangle here. Just hold these two triangles and take it apart slowly and steadily. Now you see this folding, just push your finger through this and make this get folded. Make sure that this thing doesn't come out or else your entire work will be destroyed. Same on this side. Be sure that this doesn't come out. I'm saying this once again because if it does, then this fold is going to be destroyed. And then we have it like this. Again, sharp ends are very important in origami. We have done this. Now we get it on the other side. Now this triangle, just hold it upright and you will see that there are two folds here and two here. Take one from here. Be very careful that these folds do not open. Take one from here very properly and carefully and reverse it. Only one side properly so that it stands like this. Similarly, we'll do the same thing with here, so that we have these 4 stands. Now, as we know that rose petals are circular, but our ends are square or rectangle or sharp. So we'll take a pair of scissors and we'll just make these corners round in shape. We'll just cut a very little bit of it so that the size doesn't get very much distorted. Like this. It's just the corners that you're cutting the sharp ends into round ends. Done. Now you don't need any more cuttings. Just take a paintbrush or anything which has a very narrow diameter, and we'll use these to curl the corners because rose petals are curled. Here, we'll curl all the 4 corners. Just hold it around and give it a nice round curl. Now once you are done, we are almost towards the end of making the rose. Hold this point with your 4 fingers or 3 fingers like this. 1, 2 and 3. Hold this part because this is going to be the base when you just turn the rose. This part properly, and then you start twisting this and folding these parts wherever necessary. There you go, twist and twist. And finally what we end up with is a beautiful blue rose. So you can make these roses with any color and on any shape. For example, I have made one with red. So take out your papers and keep making wonderful and beautiful roses just like yourself. Thank you. Do like and subscribe my channel and give a comment below about how you learned this origami rose. Thank you.